So the question that I've solved today is this question number 17. You can take a good look at this question. So it's from BBS first year. The depreciation related question. It's a straight line method. And let me tell you again, it's a very easy question, like the easiest way to gain 5 marks in the first year examination is the way to go. So I've already solved the problem, and I'm gonna guide through you with each entry in this depreciation format for straight line method. So there is 10% per annum of depreciation, and it's a straight line method, so remember that. So we're gonna move to the solution part. So the first entry is purchase of machinery for 4 lakh. So every single entry here is like related to sales, and purchase is done in banks. So for the purchase, we're gonna do this on the first day. So it's gonna be to bank account, 4 lakh rupees worth of machinery was purchased, and there's nothing more than that for the opening year. So we're gonna do depreciation of that machinery, which is 10% of 4 lakh rupees, which is 40,000, and there's no more entry left for this current year, 2077. So we're gonna do balance CD to balance the amount out. Total 4 lakh, and after that the balance CD is like 3,60,000. So it's 4 lakh minus 40,000, which is 3,60,000. So we're gonna open the balance CD to balance BD for the coming year, like the opening date of the coming year. So it's gonna be balance BD 3,60,000. So we purchased another machinery at Oswin 1, so it's gonna be bank 4 lakh. So for these type of solutions, you need to like basically understand how months work. Like, so we purchased this machinery on the first day of 6 months. So that means it will also continue to work on that month as well, meaning that for the whole year it will, for the current year it will work for 7 months. So when we have to depreciate this second machinery, we'll have to depreciate for 7 months only, because it is purchased on first date of the 6th month. So that's exactly what we have done here. For the first machine is still same 40,000, because it has been used for the whole year. We have neither sold it or done anything with it for this year, so it's going to be 40,000, same as before, because of the straight line method. And for the second machinery, we have done exactly that, which I explained while explaining the months. So it's used for 7 months in this year, so we've done it like this: 40,000 into 7 divided by 12, which is this value. Actually, you can round it up, which I've done later. I should have rounded it up in this part, but it would have been a lot easier like that, but it is what it is. So now there's nothing more left to do in that year, so we're going to be doing total here, and we're going to be following the same process as the top, and we're going to do CD, for which we've gotten this value, which I've done round up figure in balance BD part. Actually it's BD, but I've mistakenly wrote it CD, so please don't mind that mistake and fix it to BD if you're solving the problem along with this video. So the first machinery is sold for 3,60,000, and the way to find out the profit is to keep subtracting the depreciation from the original amount, and you'll find the actual value of the machinery, and you can either subtract it with the sold value to find out profit or loss. So the machinery is sold for 3,60,000, the first machinery which we bought for basically 4 lakh, and we have done depreciation of it twice, like for 2 years straight, which is 40,000 and 40,000, 80,000. So its actual value is 3,20,000, but we have sold it for 3,60,000. So there is profit on sales, which is 40,000. Also, we have purchased a machinery worth 4,20,000 here, so we have registered it in this section as to bank account. And for the second machinery, the depreciation is gonna be same, not necessarily same, but same as the first machinery, because this has been utilized. Its value is 4 lakh and it has been utilized for the whole year for 2079. So there's going to be full depreciation of this machine. And for the third machinery as well, there's going to be full depreciation because it was bought on first day of the first month of the year 2079. And there's nothing more to register here, so we've done total, and balance CD. Boom. I forgot to do the balance BD. You can do it like that, and that's it, guys.